24 combat equipped troops, 4 taking crash-worthy fold-away seats, plus 2 gunners and up to 12 stretchers, plus medical problems can also be carried. Low-loading ramp door. Normal mission takeoff weight, vertical takeoff weight 47,500 pounds. So a bit of a brute in the way of lifting, good capabilities. Quite a distinctive sound, isn't it?
Wordt dat dus zo'n hultroos die ze binnen een
Similar, that waka waka type sound. You can see the engine tilting back, coming to full helicopter mode.